In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your purchase history in Walmart app. Whether you're tracking a recent order, double checking a charge, or pulling up a receipt, I'll walk you through the process clearly from start to finish. First, open the Walmart app on your phone. Look for the familiar blue icon with the Spark logo. If you haven't used it in a while, make sure you have an internet connection and, if possible, the latest version of the app for the smoothest experience. Once it opens, you should land on the home screen. Next, sign into your account, tap the sign in option, and enter your login details securely. If your device supports it, you might be able to use Face ID, Touch ID, or a saved login to speed things up. Take a moment to confirm you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're logged in, go to the account area. On most phones, you'll see an account button or a person-shaped icon at the bottom right of the screen. Tap that to open your account hub. This is where you'll find everything related to your profile, payment methods, and most importantly, your orders. Inside the account section, find purchase history. Depending on your app version, it might be labeled purchase history, order history, or simply orders. If it's not immediately visible, scroll a little. Walmart sometimes rearranges these tiles. Tap purchase history to open your list of past purchases. You'll typically see both online orders and in-store purchases that were linked to your account at checkout. On the purchase history page, you'll usually see a few of your most recent orders first. To see everything, tap View All. This expands the full list so you can browse older purchases in chronological order. Each entry generally shows the order date, total, and status. From here, you can tap any order to view the details, including items purchased, delivery or pickup information, and the digital receipt. If you're verifying a charge or preparing for a return, this is the best place to confirm the exact order information. And that's it. Open the app, sign in, head to account, find purchase history, and tap View All to see every order tied to your account. If something doesn't appear right away, give the page a second to load and make sure you're logged into the correct profile. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly find what you need in the Walmart app.